Welcome to Mad for Mondays. I'm here with Gillian Bullock in Sydney, and we both just had a podcast, haven't we?
We have.
Yeah.
We have. On Eagle Wave, was it?
On Eagle Wave,
Yes.
so that was pretty cool. And we're just going to catch up, and I'd love Gillian to let you know what she does on a Monday to make a difference.
I would definitely advise people to get back onto LinkedIn if they haven't been on LinkedIn all week. They need to go in and check their messages. They need to perhaps update, do a status update like a post, and let people know what they're up to and give them a tip, give them some value. That would be really good. Do a spring clean every Monday.
Every Monday, do a spring clean on your LinkedIn.
Yes.
And so, Gillian, the reason this information is really important is, what do you do?
I am the LinkedIn Ninja Down Under, so I help people generate leads through LinkedIn.
Wow. So there you go. And you are the only black ninja, I believe.
Black Belt Ninja.
Black belt ninja?
Yeah. So it's a certification, and I'm the only one in the Southern Hemisphere. So there's 11 worldwide.
Wow, 11 worldwide. And this is Gillian, the only one in the Southern Hemisphere. So if you want to contact Gillian to find out what you could do with your LinkedIn to get more leads, how do we contact you?
Probably good to look me up on LinkedIn. So it's Gillian with a J, and it's Bullock as in Sandra Bullock.
Fantastic. There you go. Have fun with your LinkedIn on a Monday, and we'll speak soon.
Bye.
Bye.